Welcome to Relaxing with Watercolor. I'm Anna. Today we're creating a watercolor mandala. If you'd like to paint along, take a peek at the description for a list of materials. Mandala is Sanskrit for circle, and mandala creation has often been used as a meditative tool to help calm the mind. Working from the outside in, layer by layer, we can find our centers. They're in there somewhere. Let's begin. I'm going to start by drawing concentric or nested circles with a pencil. I'm drawing the outermost circle first and then working my way in. You'll see that I'm using a compass to do this, but if you don't have a compass, no worries. You can trace any circular objects you have lying around, like the bottom of a coffee mug, a plate, a washi tape roll. Just work your way in, largest to smallest. Anything that fits on your paper is fine. Also, don't worry if the layers aren't perfectly spaced. That's not what this exercise is about. Next, I'm going to take my drawing pencil and create a pattern of shapes and markings on the outer layer. I've chosen circles and squiggles. You could also do triangles, lines, hearts, stars, whatever comes to mind. You can do a mixture or repeat the same shape or marking over the entire layer. There is no wrong way to do it. To help myself get into a rhythm, I do try to work in quarters, top, bottom, left, right, and then continue to fill in the pattern between those points. It helps me anchor into the design, but it's not absolutely necessary. Find a rhythm and flow that work for you. We'll go ahead and repeat this same process on each layer as we move closer and closer to the center. Now that the outline is done, we'll start again, working from the outside in, except this time we'll add some color. Again, there are no wrong colors to use. Select based on how you're feeling or what looks good to you. No need to overthink it, just go with the flow. And you can fill in your shapes individually, paint an entire layer one color, or blend the colors of a layer together. Anything goes, but move methodically, one stroke, one shape, one layer at a time. Sometimes when I'm filling in my shapes, I like to think of it as putting a specific worry or pain in its place. And then before moving on to the next layer, I strike my brush through the whole circle, blend it in, wash it away, let it go. As you create your mandala, you might notice that your mind strays from the task at hand, perhaps noticing a detail you missed or getting caught up in a conversation you had earlier in the day. That's natural, so don't be too critical of yourself if this happens. Simply notice that you're doing it and come back to the painting, back to your center. All right, The main watercolor portion is complete, but I do plan to do some additional detailing. So I'll let this dry, give it 10-15 minutes. If you're in the same place, now would be a good time to breathe and maybe reflect on anything that came up while you were painting, or just get lost in the colors and shapes on the paper. For the first part of my detailing, I'm going to add concentrated watercolor to some of the open shapes in my design. Again, this isn't absolutely necessary, but I think it adds a nice touch, and today I have time. So let's begin again, outside in. Okay, so I'm all done with the watercolors for today, and I'm going to go over any pencil marks with my artist pen. This is the final round. You know the drill. Outside in. Let's do it. And we have arrived. All the detailing is there, and we have successfully journeyed to our centers. Now it's time to come back and say hello to the world again. To help me do this, I actually like to trace the circles from the inside out, working, of course, one layer at a time until I'm back to where I started. But this time, I'm connected to my center, a little calmer, a little clearer. All right, we've literally come full circle. Thanks for making mandalas with me today. If you've enjoyed the video, please give it a like, and for more relaxing, rejuvenating content, hit the subscribe button. I hope this creative exercise has brought some calm and peace to your day. We could all use more of that. Until next time, take care.